What's up, everybody? My name is Raf. I'm the CEO of Raf's Coaching LLC, and today I bring you the very first episode of Raf's Whiteboard. We've been talking about this and we finally got it off, right? So let's get it going. What we'll do weekly is talk about different topics between content, business, gems, all that great stuff. So you'll make sure you tune in every single week because this is what we'll be doing moving forward. Make sure you like, share, subscribe to the channel. Raf's Coaching LLC is the handle. Make sure you follow us on rafscoachingllc.net. You'll get a lot of communication forms, gems, business updates through our direct website. All right, so today's topic is how to grow your Facebook audience in 5 easy steps, right? So we're gonna go through the 5 easy steps that effectively grow your audience, probably less than a year, right? A lot of you folks that are watching me today, guess what? Came from the Facebook. Appreciate you, Mark. All right, so let's get it going. The first step is very, very simple. It is to go public. So, funny, right? Go public. That's the very first step, right? A lot of folks are on private right now, and it's a thing that it's a preference. Some people don't want to be public. They don't want their profile public. But I'll tell you, if you're looking to grow your audience, you can't be on private, right? What going public does, it then allows people to share from the outside, like and comment on your posts, your videos, your content. If you're on private, people can't share, like, or comment or see your content. So by going public is the best way to really grow your overall network and audience from the outside, right? So second part is very cool. Second part, you want to audit your friends list, or your following list, right? So right now you have friends or followers that are currently on your list of your audience that aren't engaging, that aren't liking, that are not supporting. And hey, they could be friends from your high school, it could be a family member, it could be people that you really just haven't caught up with. And it's okay. You can keep those folks there. But they may be holding you back from growing, right? So they're not sharing, they're not engaging, they're not commenting on your friends list. They're either watching or they're not on Facebook. So you may have to go through that list and refresh it, right? And if you don't want to drop people, the best thing you can do is add, right? So adding is the overall growth button, right? So make sure you add folks to increase your overall audience. Third thing you want to do to increase your audience is join or create a group. What are groups? Groups are super cool. Very similar to like the auditing a friends list, right? When you join or create a group, you take individuals that have the similar interests and what you're trying to accomplish, whether that be a business, a product, a service, content. If you like gaming, you want to find those group of people that enjoy that type of industry, because then you guys have a common interest, and guess what they'll do? They'll then go to your profile and find out what you're about. And this is if you're active in the group, right? Don't just join groups if you're not active. You have to be active for them to then want to add you as a friend, follow you, or engage in what you offer, service, or product. The fourth thing you want to do is create reels. So Facebook in general created reels for video content. So reels is definitely video related. Now, if you're not a creator and you're not comfortable with being in front of the camera, creating videos, editing videos, that's okay. You still can create videos around things you're interested in. So that's posting a video that you may have thought is funny, or share a video from somewhere as a reel, and that will also help with your engagement, and people will follow your profile based off of the reels that you post. So you'll get people adding you, liking, comment, engaging from creating reels. So that's definitely a big takeaway that you definitely want to start doing if you're not doing. The fifth thing and final thing is the key of everything in growing your Facebook audience. And that is very simple. You're probably already doing it, but it is engagement, right? So we're talking not just liking, not just sharing, but we're talking about replying, responding, being engaged, right? So by engaging with different avatars, emoji, communications on people that have commented on your content will grow your overall audience. If you're on public, other people will see that on their timeline that you're engaging. Now, if you're not on public, your visibility is going to be harder to see people replying and commenting. But when people comment on a post, the outside, I'll just write the outside over here. The outside people are watching what you're engaging in. And guess what the outside people want to do is engage back in that same type of post. So make sure you engage with your content, your posts, your videos, all that great stuff. So that's it. Boom. 5 simple ways of how to grow your Facebook audience. If you're on private, you want to go public. If you can't get professional mode, it's because you haven't been on public long enough, and then maybe you'll get to professional mode at some point. It's a little bit harder. Audit your friends list and follow list. You don't have to drop everybody, but if they're not supporting and helping, it got to go. Give them the boot. Or just do the add button. Just add more folks if you can. Don't add anybody. Add people with similar interests that you feel like you have a common interest with, right? Join or create a group. Groups are the biggest way to grow outside of your profile. If you want to get on a different platform outside of just your profile, create and join a group with similar interests that are active. Create reels, video content is the leadingest way to reach new people and grow your audience. Engagement is the key to everything. You can post, you can add people, you can do all 1 through 4, but if you don't engage, your algorithm will be stale, it won't be fresh, and people won't be able to come in from the outside to grow your audience and connect with others. So there you have it. Again, my name is Raf. This is brought to you by Raf's Coaching LLC. Make sure you like, share, subscribe to this video if you thought this was helpful. Let me know how I did in the comments. I'll see y'all next week with another gem. Thanks for joining.